equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Dyson V15 may experience motor failure, which can lead to reduced suction power and overall performance. If left unaddressed, this issue can worsen, potentially causing further damage to the device. To repair the motor, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor compatible with the Dyson V15, and a pair of tweezers. Begin by ensuring the device is unplugged. Carefully use a screwdriver to remove the screws securing the casing. Once the casing is off, locate the motor, which is typically situated near the base of the unit. Disconnect any cables attached to the motor, taking care to note their positions for reassembly. Gently remove the old motor, ensuring not to damage any surrounding components. Install the new motor by reversing the removal process, connecting the cables securely and ensuring they are not pinched. Replace the casing and screws, applying gentle force to avoid stripping them. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent future motor issues, regularly clean the filters and ensure no debris is blocking the motor vents. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.